Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare WARP on Windows for privacy step by step clearly. Download the Cloudflare WARP application from the official Cloudflare website. Locate the downloaded installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the Cloudflare WARP application. You will see a welcome screen with an option to enable WARP. Click the toggle switch to turn on the WARP service. The application may request permission to create a virtual network adapter. Allow the application to proceed with this request. After a few moments, you will see a confirmation that WARP is connected. To check your connection status, click on the settings icon within the application. Here, you can view details about the connection, including your new IP address. Adjust any settings to your preference, such as enabling or disabling the option to use WARP for all applications. If you want to test your connection for privacy, open a web browser. Visit a site like whatismyipaddress.com to verify your IP address is changed. For advanced settings, return to the Settings menu in the WARP application. You can choose to enable the DO feature for enhanced security. If you encounter any issues, consult the troubleshooting section on the Cloudflare website for guidance. Now, your Windows device is configured with Cloudflare WARP for increased privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.